Carboplatin. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name carboplatin is the official non-proprietary generic name of the drug. It belongs to the platinum-containing group of anti-cancer medications and is widely used in oncology for the treatment of solid tumors. Drug class. Carboplatin belongs to platinum-based antineoplastic agents, alkylating-like agents, cytotoxic chemotherapy drugs. Although not a true alkylating agent, it acts similarly by damaging the DNA of cancer cells and preventing cell division. Brand name, Paraplatin, generic carboplatin injection. Drug forms, carboplatin is available as intravenous, IV injection, intravenous infusion solution, single-dose vials of varying concentrations. Unlike many medications, carboplatin is not available as oral tablets or capsules because it must be administered directly into the bloodstream. Number 2. Definition: carboplatin is a platinum-containing chemotherapy drug used to treat various types of cancers. It works by interfering with the genetic material, DNA, of rapidly dividing cancer cells, preventing their growth and multiplication. Eventually, the damaged cancer cells die through programmed cell death, apoptosis. Carboplatin was developed as a safer alternative to cisplatin with reduced kidney toxicity and fewer gastrointestinal side effects while maintaining effective anticancer activity. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Entry into cancer cells. After intravenous administration, carboplatin circulates through the bloodstream and enters both normal and cancerous cells. Step 2. Activation inside the cell. Carboplatin undergoes hydrolysis, forming reactive platinum complexes. Step 3. DNA binding. The activated platinum molecules bind strongly to DNA bases, especially guanine. Step 4. DNA crosslink formation. Carboplatin forms intrastrand crosslinks, interstrand crosslinks. These crosslinks prevent the DNA strands from separating properly. Step 5. Inhibition of DNA function. DNA replication and transcription become impossible, preventing cancer cells from reproducing. Step 6. Cell cycle arrest. The cell detects DNA damage and stops progressing through the cell cycle. Step 7. Apoptosis. The damaged cancer cell undergoes programmed cell death. Result: inhibits tumor growth, reduces tumor size, prevents metastasis, enhances effectiveness of radiation and other chemotherapy drugs. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption. Carboplatin is administered intravenously, ensuring complete bioavailability and immediate systemic circulation. Distribution. After entering the bloodstream, distributes widely throughout body tissues, reaches tumors effectively, crosses some biological barriers, limited penetration into the brain. Volume of distribution approximately 16 to 20 liters. Protein binding. Initially low, but gradually increases as platinum binds irreversibly to plasma proteins. Metabolism. Unlike many chemotherapy agents, minimal liver metabolism. Most activity occurs in its original form. Elimination. The kidneys remove most of the drug from the body through urine. Half-life. Initial half-life, 1.5 to 2 hours. Terminal half-life, 3 to 6 hours. Clinical significance. Patients with kidney disease may accumulate toxic levels of carboplatin, requiring dose adjustments. Number 5. Uses. Carboplatin is used in the treatment of numerous cancers: gynecological cancers, ovarian cancer, cervical cancer, endometrial cancer, respiratory cancers, non-small cell lung cancer, small cell lung cancer, head and neck cancers, used in combination with radiation or other chemotherapy agents, breast cancer, particularly effective in some triple-negative breast cancers, genitourinary cancers, testicular cancer, bladder cancer, pediatric cancers, neuroblastoma, retinoblastoma, brain tumors. Number 6. Indications. FDA-approved indication. Advanced ovarian cancer, used alone or with other chemotherapy drugs after surgery. Common off-label indications: lung cancer, breast cancer, head and neck cancer, esophageal cancer, cervical cancer, brain tumors, germ cell tumors. Combination therapy, frequently combined with paclitaxel, etoposide, gemcitabine, pemetrexed, docetaxel. Number 7. Contraindications. Carboplatin should not be administered in the following situations. Absolute contraindications. Severe hypersensitivity. Patients with previous severe allergic reactions to carboplatin or other platinum drugs. Severe bone marrow suppression. Patients with extremely low white blood cells, platelets, hemoglobin. Uncontrolled bleeding, due to risk of worsening thrombocytopenia. Relative contraindications. Renal failure may require substantial dose reduction. Active severe infection. Chemotherapy can further weaken immunity. Pregnancy may harm the developing fetus. 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Kidney function assessment. Renal function tests should be performed before each treatment cycle. Complete blood count monitoring. Monitoring includes hemoglobin, white blood cells, platelets. Liver function assessment. Although liver toxicity is uncommon, monitoring is recommended. Hearing evaluation. Platinum drugs can cause hearing impairment. Pregnancy precautions. Women should avoid becoming pregnant during treatment. Fertility counseling. Carboplatin may reduce sperm production, affect ovarian function, cause temporary or permanent infertility. Number 9. How to use administration. Preparation. Prepared under sterile conditions by oncology pharmacists. Infusion administered intravenously over 15 to 60 minutes, sometimes longer depending on protocol. During infusion, monitor for rash, difficulty breathing, hypotension, anaphylaxis. Monitoring during therapy. CBC, serum creatinine, electrolytes, liver function tests. Number 10. Dosing information. Individualized dosing. Carboplatin dosage is often calculated using kidney function. Calvert formula: dose equal AU times GFR plus 25, meaning dose equals amount of carboplatin, mg, AUC equals target drug exposure, GFR equals kidney filtration capacity. Typical AUC 4 to 6, combination chemotherapy, AUC 5-7, single agent therapy, frequency, usually every 3 weeks, 4 weeks, depending on treatment protocol. Number 11, missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. Because carboplatin is administered in a healthcare facility, if a dose is missed, contact the oncology department immediately. Reschedule treatment as soon as possible. Do not attempt self-administration. Overdose. Causes: calculation errors, accidental excessive administration. Symptoms: severe neutropenia, severe thrombocytopenia, kidney injury, hearing loss, liver dysfunction. Treatment: no specific antidote exists. Management includes blood transfusions, growth factor therapy, antibiotics, intensive supportive care. Number 12, stop or avoid taking treatment may need to be stopped if severe allergic reaction. Symptoms include wheezing, swelling, anaphylaxis. Severe bone marrow toxicity. Dangerously low blood counts may require discontinuation. Progressive kidney damage, persistent renal impairment may necessitate stopping treatment. Serious neurological toxicity, including severe peripheral neuropathy. Side effects. Very common side effects. Bone marrow suppression. Most important toxicity: thrombocytopenia, easy bruising, nosebleeds, bleeding gums. Neutropenia, increased infection risk. Anemia, fatigue, weakness, pallor. Gastrointestinal effects. Nausea and vomiting, usually less severe than with cisplatin. Loss of appetite can contribute to weight loss. Constipation or diarrhea may occur during treatment. Neurological effects. Peripheral neuropathy, tingling, numbness, burning sensation, dizziness, occasional symptom. Serious side effects: sepsis, anaphylaxis, kidney failure, ototoxicity, secondary leukemia, rare. Number 14. Vital information healthcare providers should remember. Carboplatin is a high-alert chemotherapy medication. CBC monitoring is mandatory. Renal function determines dosing. Infection prevention is critical. Platelet monitoring is essential. Emergency management should be available during infusion. Long-term survivors require monitoring for secondary malignancies. Number 15. Other drugs will affect carboplatin. Nephrotoxic drugs increase kidney damage risk. Aminoglycosides, vancomycin, amphotericin B. Ototoxic drugs increase hearing damage risk. Gentamicin, furosemide. Myelosuppressive drugs increase bone marrow suppression. Cyclophosphamide, methotrexate, doxorubicin. Live vaccines should generally be avoided because of immunosuppression. Number 16. Drug comparison. Carboplatin versus cisplatin. Feature: carboplatin, cisplatin. Kidney toxicity: lower, higher. Nausea: less. More vomiting: less, more. Bone marrow suppression: more, less. Hearing loss: lower. Hydration need: less. Patient tolerance: better, lower. Clinical preference. Carboplatin is often chosen for elderly patients, patients with kidney disease, patients unable to tolerate cisplatin toxicity. 17. Patient teaching. Infection prevention. Wash hands frequently. Avoid crowded places during periods of low immunity. Report fever immediately. Bleeding precautions. Use a soft toothbrush. Avoid contact sports. Report unusual bruising. Nutrition. Eat high-protein foods. Maintain adequate hydration. Consume small, frequent meals if nauseated. Medication safety. Inform healthcare providers about all medications. Avoid over-the-counter drugs without approval. Pregnancy prevention. Use effective contraception during treatment. Discuss fertility preservation before therapy. Follow-up care. Attend all appointments. Complete laboratory monitoring. Report side effects promptly. Key nursing point. Carboplatin's dose-limiting toxicity is thrombocytopenia, low platelet count. Regular complete blood count monitoring is the most important nursing responsibility during therapy. Thank you. Have a nice day.